Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to fix screen share audio not working in Discord. So, there's a couple ways that we can fix this issue. The first thing is you want to head over to your user settings and you want to scroll down to voice and video. First of all, you want to make sure your input and output devices are correctly selected. To check that, you can test your mics to see if it's being properly picked up. Now, what you want to look for is you want to scroll down until you find the screen share tab. And this setting right here, use an experimental method to capture audio from applications. You want to toggle that on. Now, if it's already toggled on and your sound isn't being picked up, try toggling it off. After you've either toggled it on or off, you want to make sure that your screen share is working. And if it isn't working, there's one more thing that we can try. The other method that we can try is in your user settings, you want to head over to your activity privacy and you want to go to registered games. From here, you want to add the thing you're trying to screen share. Now, as an example, I'm just going to add Google Chrome, and then once I've added that, as you can see, I'm now able to share my screen to Google Chrome, and then here you go, now it's being shared. If there's no audio being picked up after that, you may have to check with your microphone or with other settings in the voice and audio until you've resolved the issue. If the video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.